So it shows us the things that it can do, such as running comps, rehab estimate, funding strategy, and exit strategy. So what we could do is tell it to run a 1 through 4 action plan, and what we can do is we can paste it in there, paste in there the.
And hit send.
Well, we want to make sure that we go up to the top before we do that. We want to tell it to do a 1 through 4 action plan, and here's our estimate. So right there, there we go. Run the 1 through 4 custom action plan. We already have the rehab estimate. Use the one that we copied below. And send it. Now you can do already know what to do. Are you trying to get it yourself or? I gotta get in my thing. So the custom action plan shows the comps in the area. It's going to verify the AVR and keep going down. It's just verifying that this is what I want it to do. So that's it. Anyway.
So sometimes it goes weird and sideways, and you just have to ask it to run again. Strategy.
Right. So if you go up though, and we look at what it did come up with was it shows us our exit strategy. Exit 1 is to flip out of it with a projected profit of $35,000, right? And then if you go down to the BRRRR rental, you can probably BRRRR rental that thing out and get a cash out of negative 40K. So this is not the ideal unless long-term appreciation plays in. So I mean, we're going to want to hold it for 12 months.
Right.
Right. But I think that it said that it was only like an 18-week flip. So for 35,000 over 18 weeks, that's not a bad profit as long as you're able to do that in that market. So you got to tack in from 18 weeks start to finish, another probably 18 weeks to sell. And when we were at the market report last month, a couple weeks ago, they were saying that a lot of prices are starting, drop. But she said they'll reach the bottom by January. So that's at the bottom of it. So we'd have to estimate being like at least 7% lower than the current ARV, just to be conservative.
So that's one of the deals that came to me. I have multiple deals coming. I could bring a whole list of opportunities. Somebody else has sent another one. It was
I'll probably get up. But see, here's the thing, and maybe you remember this from your days in fixing females. You have to get 100 leads a week in order to get 10 contracts out to get 2 or 3 of them signed and agreed to.
It's true.
So
yep.
I would love to build out that funnel so that we're at 1,000 a week instead of 100.
Right.
Because we'll get more deals done that way. And again, we have the investors that want to support the packet. So it's just a matter of building out the platform for it to be able to produce that.
Okay, so for all of you who are on here, who has a deal? Maybe that's what we need to do. All of you need to bring a deal, one that was sent, because the more practice we get at this, the better and faster we're going to get at this. And who knows, there may be somebody on here that connects to it and is interested in the actual deal itself. So have any of you on here, do you have a deal that we can run through this whole process? Yes, it's a process.
Use are also sheep. So any of you sheep out there want to run a deal, let me know. Come on to the Zoom call. Catherine's putting the link in right now. Sergio, a little shout out to our members here. We got Roman Rubio in here. We got Sergio in here. We got Hoy in here. All these guys are members of our Land Shark Mastermind. Our Land Shark Mastermind is focused on putting real estate investment professionals together to get deals done. So we do a lot of opportunity zone deals. We do a lot of wealth building deals. We do a lot of generational wealth strategies. So we're all about, teaching people how to become Rockefellers, stuff like that. So it's a really cool group to be a part of. And as a member, you guys get to run deals with us on the podcast, so that these thousands of investors that see our YouTube channels and these YouTube videos are able to get in touch or reach out so that we can grow the mastermind and get deals done. So it's really about working together as a cohort and collaborative efforts and growing this thing out. So